Bakal. May umaakit may oh. Wow.
Diba si Trump dyan nagkain sa pinakataas?
Kasi
siya ini-entertain ni ano, ni Macron.
Macron, yeah.
They went up the tower.
Tira mo yung tour natin. It doesn't matter na magbayad ka ng 100 pero wow, puntahan mo ito. Ito yung I don't even hope to come here, me. Ikaw lang nag sa akin na, Dad, I just want to see one place.
Yeah,
That's why I just want to see this place one time.
Sikat na lugar dito.
Aha.
Ano yung Dad?
341.
341? So,
Hindi, yung maliliit. Yeah, 341 yung the small one. Noong World War II, this where the German army walked through under this. Yeah. During World War II. Yeah. This is supposed to be a road, This is supposed to be a road. All the way down. Wow.
Ang dami ng lalakarin. Diyan sila ba?
Aha, yeah. Wow. Aha.
Naku. Sumasagaw sa
Oh. Is that real? Is a real person?
Real?
Oh, real person yan, No, that's real person. Oh.
Real katulad sa Las Vegas?
Gold. Totoo yan, That's. Wow, oh.
Dito sa Las Vegas naman, ito yung nila.
Init, oh, yeah. Sabi niya, little golden man. May mga tao sa taas nila.
Yeah, meron doon, oh. May gumagalaw
Saan?
Pinakataas, doon.
Oh yeah, Ay, hindi.
Paano kaya nila
Yan,
ito
umakit, oh.
Yeah.
Hindi ko kaya akitin niya yan.
Paano kaya nila ito ginawa?
Yeah, cannot do that.
Siyempre sila, meron silang pinagyayabang sa mga tao.
Well, this is a very historical location. We never imagined to come here to this place, but fortunately we were able to come because taxi coming down here is so expensive. At least we're able to find somebody to join us so we can split the 580 euro into 7 persons, right? 7
Yeah, we
persons.
should.
So that's the best way instead of having the cruise management to take our trip. The police will come and get them. See, that's illegal, Yeah, yeah, see, that's illegal. They have to run away. The police. Yeah.